Hey guys, Card Collector coming at you tonight. We're going to do two quick Fairfield boxes, 100 cards plus a pack for these baseball ones. So, might sound a little different, a little sniffly. Got sick, you know. So, weather's been crazy over here in Oregon recently. So, trying to stay as healthy as I can, but can't always do everything. So, go ahead and look at this pack, which is 2018 Series 1 tops. So, right. Tristan McKenzie. And we're already flipped. Okay, let's see. Roger Clemens. Florida Marlins 2001 Franchise Futures. Josh Beckett and Cliff Ford. We got Dale Murphy, Marty Patton, Jorge Lopez, rookie card, Kelby Tomlinson, rookie card, Chris Tillman, Melky Cabrera, Drew Hutchinson, Zach Greinke, Kento Marte, Blaine Boyer. It's backwards. Does that mean a hit? Matt Holliday, Colby Lewis, Jumbo Diaz. These go every which way. So you wonder how they would package it, you know, to make it easier on us and stuff like that. But you never know how these places are going to package their cards. But it's okay. Andy Ashby. Roberto Hernandez. CJ Wilson. Juan Branginger, Donnie Hill, Alvin Davis, Ken Hill, Kent Tekuv, Tom Dries, and Dan Howitt, Dennis Ramson, Mike Kingery, Greg Briley, Todd Hundley, Dwayne Henry, John Smoltz, Alex Trevino, Greg Minton, Al Leader, Craig Lefferts, checklist, Jesse Orsho, Donnie Hill, Mike Skula, Jay Howell, Mike Stanley, Marty Barrett, Mike Munoz, Vladimir Guerrero, Bob Walk, Vladimir Guerrero, so Vladdy G, Marshall Edwards, Terry Francono, Rise Hoskin, Cole Holmes, Jonathan Scoop, Bryce Harper, oh my, they just want to be everywhere. So, you guys, the crazy support I've had over the last few months or last few weeks is pretty crazy. So I think we're going to do a giveaway at 100 subs. So I'll try to announce that in my next video. I do have to find what I'm giving away, but I know what I'm going to give away. Just got to find it. So we got Luis Salivar, Jim Abbott, Chili Davis, Phil Bradley, Dave Hollins, Joe Girardi, Jeff Blauser, Giants leaders. We've got Pete Inkviela, Ray Langford, Ozzie Golan, Dave Steve, Otis Nixon, Randy Neiman, Mike Lloyd, Glenn Hoffman, Teddy Higuera, Mike Fielder, Todd Stottlemyre, Julio Valvo, the only thing I don't like about these Fairfield boxes is they just go every which way, which is a little annoying, but $5 is not a horrible price to pay for these boxes, I think. So figured we can keep going. You know, they're not horrible. I like the basketball ones definitely the best. I think they have some of the better value cards. A lot more newer stuff, but that's just me. So if you guys like another one, you know, comment down below saying you disagree. You know, we're meant to disagree. So Brian Javi, Kyle Daniels, Pete, can't even say his name, Tim Costo, Ted Powers, Scott Bankhead, Russ Morgan, Joel Youngblood, Ken Schrom, Joel Orslack, Ellis Burks, Jeff Calhoun, Kurt Stillwell, Frank Pastor, Bill Russell, Lance Johnson, Scott Erickson, Jesse Orsko, Tom Browning, Jim Ephard, Marvis Foley, Joe Nathan, Wally Backman, Doyle Alexander, Playball Ben Sheets, Gary Sarkina, and Mike Perez. So, guys, I'm just going to do one box. We'll save this box for another video. I'm just not feeling great. We're already at 7 minutes, so, you know, I'm going to try to get better. Again, I have a Patreon page. I'm going to go ahead and link that in the description. If you guys are interested in any of these cards, just let me know, and I might be willing to part with them. Other than that, have a great night, guys, and we'll see you soon.